so accessible that they become stars in their own right. And so the birds were lucky that people saw it happen.
Well, absolutely. And I'm still surprised, although it's been around for a while now, that it's right almost in the middle of downtown Columbus. You have this eagle's nest of all places right down the road from our station.
But it's right on the river, so they've got a good food supply. They've got all the things that they need, and so they're very happy right there. Our osprey are also very happy up in the nest on our tower as well. For the moment, it's dry in both nests. There have been some showers and thunderstorms in Dayton and Cincinnati, but not much happening here. Most of what's been happening in southwestern Ohio associated with that trough. Remember we talked about yesterday? We do have just a little bit of rain showing up in a little bit of the border here, just west of Plain City. Right, I mean, it's just barely even a sprinkle at this point. It has weakened even more. So otherwise, we have some blue sky, little hazy. There's a little of that smoke still in the atmosphere. 83 degrees at the airport, feels like 84. Breeze out of the east at 9 miles per hour. Dew points are still under 65 degrees, so it's still relatively comfortable. Feels a little muggy, but not too bad. D.R. Horton America's Builder, current conditions in Coshocton and McConnellsville, both at 83. Lancaster, Logan, and Athens at 84. Marysville, Delaware, and Mount Vernon at 81. And through the next few hours, we're going to dip into the 70s by 8 o'clock tonight. And we'll slowly but surely make our way through the 70s and down into the mid-60s. We'll stay partly cloudy. This is precisely average for the overnight tonight. Few showers stay in the forecast for the early part of the evening. After sunset, most of that begins to taper off. So this trough is part of what's been causing some of that, especially for southwestern Ohio. This is going to keep a little bit of that disturbance happening during the day tomorrow. So that's why there's still a chance for a passing sprinkle or shower in the afternoon. Most areas are dry, but just know that this is a possibility as that trough continues to linger in the area. By Thursday, more high pressure moving in. That should also help clear out some of the clouds and give us a really beautiful day. But a pop-up is not out of the question because by then we're getting a little bit more humid. So you may notice that there's a little more instability. It may be just enough to kick up a storm in the afternoon. We'll start the day tomorrow in the 60s. We'll warm up quickly into the mid-80s. Sunshine for most of the day. And yes, there is that chance at a passing shower or storm. But the next several days, pretty much the same thing. Staying in the mid-80s during the day, mid-60s overnight. Pool looks pretty good each day outside of the chance at a storm. Saturday, we're muggy. And it's 88 degrees again. That'll feel more like it's in the lower 90s. So the humidity is going to tick up again by the time we get into the early part of next week. So enjoy these beautiful days while we have them now before the humidity kicks in again. 85 for your day tomorrow, partly cloudy, and then same thing on Thursday, just a degree warmer. 86 on Friday, muggy through the weekend with highs near 90 degrees, and another chance for showers and storms Monday and Tuesday.